Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are sublimating well-being message onto these cute fridge magnets. Good heaven, woman, speak. Because I thought, who doesn't need a pick-me-up when you're walking past the fridge? Yeah? So I've gone for a galaxy background because I like a little sparkle in my life. I'm thinking of sparkle. I think there's already sparkle in this. Oh, can you see that? Let me get you a bit closer. See the sparkle? Don't know if that is just the sublimation ink that's on there, or if I bought myself sparkly magnets. I don't recall. I'll check later. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, let's just do the one. I have measured the magnets and they are 10.5 by 7.5 centimeters. So I'm going to make them this a bit bigger. And I don't think we're in centimeters here, we're in inches. Okay, let's go to settings, canvas, metric, and yes. So width 11.5. Open that up, and we'll put height at 8.5. Close. So that is just a little bit bigger. No, mine's square. Let's not bother with that one. Good. Okay. Now let's make this one the actual size, which is 10.5 by 7.5. Lock it. Turn it into a guide. And I want a colour on that. I can barely see it. Do it like that then. But at least now you know that this is actually what's going to be printed and be on it. This is the offset. Okay. Text. We've got one, so it'll be on the system, and it's called Overwhelmed. Why did it just show it's us and then now it says it's not there? Because I didn't put the L in it. Da-da. That's the one. Okay. And my first saying is bit big. Infinity hums quietly inside you. Let's change this. That might help. There we go. Okay, that's better. Had it as a cut. This is a print. There we go. That's much better. And the same with the offset. So let's put them all together. And flatten. And there we have our first one. Okay. Now I'm going to upload the other images and then I'll be back. So we've got all images uploaded. Now I've just put the grid needs to come to the front. Let's do that again. Going to the front. There we go. I want it there. And I want it centered. Okay, there's our text. And in this one I'm going to put sorry, somebody's at my door. You can wait. The soul remembers the way. Okay, let's make this a bit smaller so it fits. Make it print and cut. No. And an offset. No one. There we go. The soul remembers the way. Out the way, highlight all of this, and fun. Next. Now the only thing different you're going to see is what I'm actually going to be putting in them. So instead of me going through them all, I'm just going to read them out to you. So we've done Infinity hums quietly inside you. The soul remembers the way. You are more than the story. Love is the only frequency that never fades. Kindness is cosmic gravity. Breathe. You're already where you need to be. Nothing real is ever lost. Turn fear into curiosity. They're all the ones I will be adding to these. Then I'm going to print them on sublimation paper, and then we're going to press them onto the fridge magnets. I'll get back to you when we're at that point. Sorry people, lost audio. It's gone down the audio black hole. Anyway, what I'm showing you here is obviously the blank, both sides. Obviously the blank side down magnet up onto your image. And then I'm just going to use heat proof, oh my god, I can't think. Heat proof tape to tape it down onto the paper. At this point I've already done 6. I'm just doing the last 2, and I'm just showing you how I'm doing, how I'm putting the tape on. The machine is set to 185 degrees and 45 seconds. It's already a custom set. People who have seen my other videos have seen how I did that. And now I'm just going to again sandwich it between butcher paper so I don't get any blowback on either my pressure cushion or the actual heat machine itself. Yep. And we're just going to switch it on. And done. Okay. They are now done. What I'm going to do now is, as you can see, take them out, let them cool down a bit, and take them and the other 6 over to my desk so we can take the paper off and show you the result. So here you go. They're all done. What do you think? If you would have done them different backgrounds? Would you would have done different writings? Just going to zoom in for you for a bit. I'm just going to zoom in so that you can actually see them all. So from left to right, you've got love is the only frequency that never fades. Kindness is cosmic gravity. The soul remembers the way. Turn fear into curiosity. Nothing real is ever lost. You are more than the story. Breathe. You're already where you need to be. Infinity hums quietly inside you. I hope that you liked it all. God bless and see you again soon. Bye.